Magandang umaga guys. Happy Saturday morning. Foggy today. Pero hindi umuulan and walang pasok si Mishka. So sabi ko, pwede siyang maglaro ng kanyang scooter doon sa baba. Careful. Kasi dito na daan guys. Pwede siyang maglaro dyan. Kasi parang flat yung daanan dyan na side. Let me hold this. Let me hold. Diyan yung hagdan namin guys. And dito merong parking space. So dito namin nilagay ngayon yung sasakyan. At least meron na kaming parking space dito ngayon. And sa baba yung bahay ng aming landlord. May kailangan lang ako sa kanya. So bababa kami. Malaki yung space ng kanilang parking dito. Mama, which is good. Come on, let's go down. We'll just go to Auntie's house. Then we'll come back. Dito yung bahay ni Auntie sa baba. Yeah, this is exit already. Ikot lang kami. Merong gabi. Dito sa sidewalk guys, madami yung nagtitinda. Bamboo shoots.
avocado.
100 rupees per kilo daw. Dito na naman kami sa Smart Bazaar. May bibihin lang kaming konti. Go inside na. Go. We don't need that big one. Ito yung mga nabili namin doon sa Smart Bazaar. Apples. Pangbaon ni Mishka. Pang snacks din namin dito sa bahay. This one is, ito naman, banana, tapos ito, musami, parang dalandan, and guava, tapos ito sa labas to namin nabili, yung avocado. 100 lang yung kilo nito guys. Mura ng avocado dito kasi nga ang daming mga puno ng avocado dito. So, mura siya. 100 lang. Isang kilo. Tapos, ito din. Ayan lang kami. Coriander leaves, palak or spinach. Tapos ito, besan, turdal or lentils. Ayan kami. Curd or yogurt. Tapos bumili din ako for my baking sessions. We got paneer and eto, gabi. Gagawin daw ni Abby ito parang pakora. Pakorahan? Well, careful. Parang hindi siya ganun ka-fresh. It's dancing.
Mommy, that's what you're doing. Like
I'm fixing our fruits.
Why fixing our food?
What do you call this?
Gabi. In Philippines, we call this gabi.
And in Bihar, we call it pekchi. Pekchi ka patta. Patta means leaf.
Yeah, patta.
Pekchi.
50 rupiah एक bunch है.
Weekend cooking.
Weekend cooking in Hindi.
I'll clean this kind of leaves. Earlier what mama was doing, like mummy इस पे बेसन लगाती थी, बेसन. Then we'll roll
Paste
it.
besan. And
powder.
roll. Ah yes, I have seen that.
But
then you
now
have to roll. It's like spring roll.
But now mama said now that I can make it like pakoda and then I can steam. That is easier.
I remember, like you put besan, roll it, and then slice, and then fry it, and then make besan or
rolling
curry.
is tough, so mama said now that chop it fine and make it kind of pakoda and then you steam it and then that will be convenient. अभी boil हो गया.
Steam हो गया.
Steam हो गया.
So this is
Arbi. We call it Arbi ka patta.
Arbi ka pata. So, after steaming, ipa-fry natin siya. Slice.
Chop, cut it.
Yeah, and fry. So, we'll show you later. Abhi, fry. Fry
Kar rahe hain. Which oil?
Using mustard oil.
Sarson ka tel.
Sarson ka tel. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kasi naligo ako. Pero ito yung luto ng abhi rice, dal, at saka ito nga yung gabi. Parang karne lang siya eh. It looks like meatballs. It looks like meatballs. Wow, diba? Parang meatballs lang eh. Maganda yung daloy ng hangin. Tapos hindi malamig ngayon. So nakabukas yung aming pintuan dyan. Kain tayo guys. Finish soap kasi. How many guavas she has finished? 2 guava yung kinain niya. So mamaya ko niya baka kainin.
She have got fruits, real fruits maybe after 4
Apple also. First she had apple. And then she asked for banana. But banana is not that ripe yet. So maybe tomorrow it will be ready. So yung pinili na lang niya is guava. You will sit here.
Yeah.
The head of the family.
This rice is good. You were saying that this rice is not good?
I like the sticky one.
Sticky one. This is also very good.
Maybe that's good. Ito yung klase ng rice na gusto niya, yung paisa-isa ba, hindi yung sticky, kagaya sa atin. Meatballs. Vegetarian meatballs. Gravy I'll put, ha?
Don't put too much. And dal also. Kain tayo.
Kain tayo, guys.
Look at you, you with your emerald eyes like fields of green I've never seen before. They take my breath away. I'm not one to lose my words, but baby, I don't know what to say.
May nagsuggest din pala, yung bilhin namin is washing machine na meron ng dryer. Pero meron pa kasi kaming washing machine. So, ang gagawin namin doon sa isang washing machine, diba? Tapos, bibili na naman ng merong dryer. Kami ngayon, kung ano yung meron kami ngayon, and mabubuhay pa naman kami, kung ano yung meron lang kami, yun na lang muna.
Mommy, you're different.
Wow! What's that?
That's so lucky.
What is that?
It's just that's my name.
It's like yo-yo.
What?
Yo-yo.
Do you?
Yeah?
What do you?
Yo-yo. Others are playing yo-yo na. Yo-yo.
Do
Yeah. Yo-yo. Yo-yo. Yo-yo boat. Tell baby Jasmine we'll brush teeth now. Baby Jasmine, you wait for Mimi, okay? Mimi will brush teeth, okay? Come on, let's go. Let's go.
Baby Jasmine, only one.
Baby Jasmine, you wait for Mimi, okay? Let's go. Grabe, ang daming accessory ni Baby Jasmine. May hair clips, my gold necklace. So cute, Baby Jasmine.
Now other one.
No, enough. So many stickers. Let's go for brush teeth.
Daddy, see, look at Baby Jasmine. It's Jasmine. Don't take photos. Baby Jasmine. Daddy, I don't need put photos.
No, not my face came on the dress. Good. Look at my toothbrush too.
which means Daddy? Oh,
She brush these out. Where are you? One for you, one for Daddy. Let baby Jasmine sit down.
Thanks.
GQ1, my video is like, subscribe, like my old video, please like, subscribe. Bye. Good night.